Next question. Which of the following are advantages of AWS consolidated billing? Choose 2. Option A. The ability to receive one bill for multiple accounts. Option B. Service limits increasing by default in all accounts. Option C. A fixed discount on the monthly bill. Option D. Potential volume discounts as usage in all documents is combined. Option E. The automatic extension of the master accounts AWS support plan to all accounts. Correct answer is option A and option D. The ability to receive one bill for multiple accounts and the automatic extension of the master accounts AWS support plan to all accounts. Next question. Which of the following reserved instance RI pricing models provides the highest average savings compared to an on-demand pricing? Option A. 1 year no upfront standard RI pricing. Option B. 1 year all upfront convertible RI pricing. Option C. 3 year all upfront standard RI pricing. Option D. 3 year no upfront convertible RI pricing. Correct answer is option C. 3 year all upfront standard RI pricing. Next question. Compared with costs in traditional and visualized data center, AWS has option A. Greater variable costs and greater upfront costs. Option B. Fixed usage costs and lower upfront costs. Option C. Lower variable costs and greater upfront costs. Option D. Lower variable costs and lower upfront costs. Correct answer is option D. Lower variable costs and lower upfront costs. Next question. A characteristic of edge locations is that they option A. Host Amazon EC2 instances closer to users. Option B. Help lower latency and improve performance for users. Option C. Cache frequently changing data without reaching the origin server. Option D. Refresh data changes daily. Correct answer is option C. Cache frequently changing data without reaching the origin server. Next question. Which of the following can limit Amazon Storage Service Amazon S3 bucket access to specific users? Option A. A public and private key pair. Option B. Amazon Inspector. Option C. AWS Identity and Access Manager IAM policies. Option D. Security groups. Correct answer is option C. AWS Identity and Access Management IAM policies. Next question. Which of the following security related actions are available at no cost? Option A. Calling AWS support. Option B. Contacting AWS professional services to request a workshop. Option C. Accessing forums, blogs, and white papers. Option D. Attending AWS classes at a local university. Correct answer is option C. Accessing forums, blogs, and white papers. Next question. Which of the reserved instance RI pricing models can change the attributes of the RI as long as the exchange results in the creation of RIs of equal or greater value? Option A. Dedicated RIs. Option B. Scheduled RIs. Option C. Convertible RIs. Option D. Standard RIs. Correct answer is option C. Convertible RIs. Next question. Which AWS feature will reduce the customer's total cost of ownership TCO? Option A. Shared responsibility security model. Option B. Single tenancy. Option C. Elastic computing. Option D. Encryption. Correct answer is option C. Elastic computing. Next question. Which of the following services will automatically scale with an expected increase in web traffic? Option A. AWS Code Pipeline. Option B. Elastic Load Balancing. Option C. Amazon EBS. Option D. AWS Direct Connect. Correct answer is option B. Elastic Load Balancing. Next question. Where are AWS compliance documents such as an SOC 1 report located? Option A. Amazon Inspector. Option B. AWS CloudTrail. Option C. AWS Artifact. Option D. AWS Certificate Manager. Correct answer is option C. AWS Artifact. Next question. Under the AWS shared responsibility model, which of the following activities are the customer's responsibility? Choose any two. Option A. Patching operating system components for Amazon Relational Database Server, Amazon RDS. Option B. Encrypting data on the client side. Option C. Training the data center staff. Option D. Configuring network access control lists, ACL. Option E. Maintaining environmental control within a data center. Correct answer is option B and D. Encrypting data on the client side and configuring network access control lists, ACL. Next question, which is a recommended pattern for designing a highly available architecture on AWS? Option A. Ensure that components have low latency network connectivity. Option B. Run enough Amazon EC2 instances to operate at a peak load. Option C. Ensure that the application is designed to accommodate failure of any single component. Option D. Use a monolithic application that handles all operations. Correct answer is option C. Ensure that the application is designed to accommodate failure of any single component. Next question. According to best practices, how should an application be designed to run in the AWS cloud? Option A. Use tightly coupled components. Option B. Use loosely coupled components. Option C. Use infrequently coupled components. Option D. Use frequently coupled components. Correct answer is option B. Use loosely coupled components.